Hey there folks, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln, back at it again with another video. Today we're looking at the 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. That's right folks, this is the 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. Brand new for 2019. This is taking over for the old Lincoln MKX, which is Lincoln's mid-size SUV. Some really nice new features for this. As you can see, we've got that beautiful Lincoln signature grille, which is going to be going out throughout the whole entire Lincoln lineup. We also have an all-new 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, which is going to put out around 245 horsepower and 275 foot-pounds of torque. Also, we have a 2.7-liter engine. This is a V6. It's going to give you 335 horsepower with 380 foot-pounds of torque. Both of those guys are mated with 8-speed transmissions, so it's going to make for some very smooth shifting, as well as some very good fuel efficiency, and going to give you some really good pep. Now, again, as mentioned, this is brand new for 2019, but it is still very, very similar to the MKX. As you can see, the back end looks very familiar. When I open up the back trunk here again, you'll see you have that cover. So just in case if there's anybody trying to sneak in and steal any of your stuff in the back there, you're guaranteed that they're not going to be able to see what's in there. We do also have the fold down seats just with the push of a button. So again, makes for very easy loading and unloading of cargo. And then we do have the foot activated tailgate. So if I just show you down here, all I have to do is slide my foot underneath that tailgate there, and it's going to go ahead and actually close up for us. So again, very convenient when you have your hands full. It's again just going to be really, really easy to get stuff in there. Now this one has some really nice bells and whistles. As I pop open the back seat here, you'll see we do have the heated rear seats. Come around to the front here. Again, intelligent access all the way around, just like all of our beautiful luxury vehicles. We do have the wood grain interior there, which again continues onto the steering wheel and through the center stack. With this one, it does have the technology package. So you're actually going to get the adaptive cruise control. You're going to get the lane keeping assist. It comes very, very well equipped. This one also has over here, as you can see, the parallel park assist. We've got additional 360 cameras, and we can access them with that. And then we've got our 4x4 indicators there, obviously, as well, just in case you ever get into an accident. Heated steering wheel. We've got heated and cooled seats in these guys. Again, they're very, very well equipped. This new Nautilus drives really nice. You do have a whole bunch of different drive modes, and then we do actually have the back dash there, the displays, which again are very sharp, very easy to control, and keeps that back dash looking very, very crisp and clean. So again, guys, this is the 2019 Lincoln Nautilus. Again, absolutely brand new for 2019. Very, very good look, and a really good job of rebranding this vehicle. Again, guys, Grant Schubert down here at Donnelly Ford Lincoln. Send me an email with any questions you have, and we can certainly set you up with all the information you're looking for. I look forward to hearing back from you. Bye for now.